It's Jacob from Bloom Gardens again. Just wanted to give another update on my little aquaponics pond. Got this little greenhouse from Amazon on a king bird 10 by 6.5 by 6.5 greenhouse. This seems to be a decent one. It could use 4 cross members here instead of 2 to help sturdy it up. I may end up putting some more purlins in to help with snow load during the winter. But I like it because it has a screen door on both sides, and the windows are low enough, but not too low. There's 6 windows on it. You can see another screen door, positioned nicely so I can get in one side to clean up my bed, or I can get in the other side to play with the fishies. I'll walk in and see if we can get any video of the fish. The water is a little bit cloudy because it's still cycling. And I can't really see too well. I'll take another video at night when I've got the light on. That's it.